What time is it? It's Coco Art Time!
You have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 colors on your Get Your Owl. Get Your Owl.
Oh, mine was creepy.
Mine and yours creepy. No, I didn't say that. Yes, there are some owls that are dark in color.
This, I mean like this. Look,
Look, show it to Aya, Nico. Look, show your owl to Aya, Nico. This is so relaxing. Don't make it too wet, children, kasi if it's too wet, it's hard to keep it clean. It's hard to, wow, I made the orange one. Okay, that's good. Look at my eyes, children. Can you see my eyes? Vicky, I'm seeing Ash. Look, Jake. Vicky, I'm seeing Ash. Look, Jake. No, you cannot see. I'm on the other camera.
I can see it.
I think we can stop from here, children. Aww. Why? Because we can still continue this on Friday and paint the butterfly, right? Wow! Good job. Everyone's work. Wow! Purple! Ang gagaling! Wow! Whoa! Woohoo! 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 It looks like strawberry, Tash.
It's a strawberry owl.
Yeah! It looks like a strawberry. Mine is a lemon. Mine is a lemon owl. Okay, where's Luke? Luke, show your owl, please. Show your owl. Remove mo yung paper, Luke. Kasi Achiro will take a picture of our Jake. Wow. Show yours. Okay. Can we make this owl fly lang? Like, woo! Let's shake. But ayan, guys, yes. Let's do this. Look. Let's make the sound. Okay, good job. Thank you. And done. So on Friday, I guess we are going to color the butterfly.